Hello, my name is Mike Nyanyuki, and I'm going to be trying to create a rally scene whereby I'll be using uh, cars that I'm going to model samples. And yeah, so I'll start by deleting the existing cube. Then I'll have to insert a new plane and scale it to a larger size that I'm going to work with as the ground. So after scaling it, I'll come here to material properties, then I'll tap on new, so that this will allow me to change the color which is going to represent the terrain of the rally scene. It's supposed to have a brown color that is going to show the terrain of the activity. After this menu appears, I want to change the color, but now I'll have to tap on this material preview so that the changes that I'm going to make to the color of this plane, I'm going to see the effect that is going to take place, the changes. Now it has already taken the change. Now so I come here and select brownish color. Yeah, like that. Now after creating the ground, I am now going to have to create the road. Now I'm creating the road. I'll come here and tap here. Then I'll add a new plane here. Then I'll tap on G and Z to raise it above the ground so that it doesn't disappear beyond the other plane. Okay, so I'm going to have to scale the road, which I want to scale drag it a little bit up to somewhere there. Then I'll have to adjust also its length. So at this point I have both the plane and the road, which also the road deserves to have for now, because for now to differentiate I'll have to use another color for the road for now, but I'll change later back to the dusty terrain. Now on to the next thing that I want to create is the banner that is going to represent the starting point of the race, which I am now going to create next. So I'll come here, then I'll have to bring in another a cylinder, which I'll raise above the ground. Okay, now after raising it above the ground, I'll scale it to have a thinner pole, and I'm going to delete it. Now after that I'll move it across the road. After moving it, I'll scale its length. Still raise it above the ground. Now after that, once it's selected one side of the road, I'll duplicate this by pole and move the other one across the road. Like, like this. Move it like this. Then I'll place it somewhere there. Now the next thing, I'll have to zoom out to see the size of the poles. Okay, now the next thing I'll have to create is the banner. Okay, now in the banner I'll come and go to, I'll add another cube. Place it above the ground. Get somewhere there. Now I'll change my angle of view to, I'll use, yes, I'll first flatten it. I'll then stretch it across the poles. Okay, what I have done right there, I have just moved the banner up and then scaled it to be more wide and accommodate everything. Now I have a banner, I have a starting point, I have the road. So I'm going to write, now I want to create a rally cam. You come here. I will add another cube. I'll move it to the back where I'll get to work with it. Now I have the cube that I'm supposed to create into a car. I'll start scaling it. Um, so I'll scale like that, and then now I'll add tires to that. I'll assume this is my car, which I'll give color, another color, which in this case I decide for it to be, let's say, blue. Yeah, so I'll come again here, then I'll add I need to add tires to that structure that is like my car. I'll add another okay. I'll rotate here and I'll change this to this shape. Then I will scale this to be smaller, and then adjust its position. Like, let me see, view it from the top. So I'll assume that to be my first which I give a black color. But now the tire is placed up, I'll move it down. After that, I'll duplicate this, have another one here, Just move from the top so that I can see well. Now that I have one car, I'll select everything by tapping shift, selecting everything on the car, and duplicate another one. And now to that point I have two cars. Starting, let me change its color. Don't forget we had to change the road color back to the dusty terrain. Yeah, that's it. Now maybe I'll have to change the color of the poles also. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.